G'day guys, Nick here from Bowater, Hyundai, Isuzu and Renault. Today I wanted to show you around this lovely 2018 Mitsubishi ASX that we have on the lot. Let's take a look around it and show you some features. So being a 2018, it's only done 77,000 Ks. 2-litre petrol engine. As we come around the front, just wanted to point out these fantastic 18-inch alloys that it has, factory tints. Getting towards the back now, tow bar as well, great for those bike racks and anyone that wants to take a small trailer to the dump. Decent sized boot space too for those active people with those active lifestyle. Get anything you need in the back there. Let's take a look inside and I'll show you around. Alrighty, now we're on the inside here. Just wanted to show you these fantastic leather and suede seats. As we pan around here, it also has a fantastic Apple CarPlay system, as well as a very large backing camera to get in those little garages and small car parks. Just wanted to mention again, 77,000 Ks on the 2018 is fantastic. Great little runaround car for any young family or young person that's taken the load to the dump or has a bike rack and likes to go out on adventures with a young family, so that tow bar is a fantastic asset. We've got it on the market for $19,990, so come down and see us at Bowater Hyundai or give me a call on 027 630 3356. Thanks.